Hello everyone, it's Eng here, and thanks for joining me today in another Clean With Me video. If you're new here, my name is Eng and I make cleaning, cooking, and lifestyle related content here on my channel. Today we will be doing a spring clean with me. Let me know in the comments what you need to get done or if you're cleaning along with me. This video was filmed over a course of a week. If you watch my videos, you know that I don't clean everything on one day, but do just a little bit each day so that I don't overwhelm myself. I hope that this will get your cleaning game on. Now let's get into it. I'm starting off with the top of the fridge. I had a feeling that this was going to be super dusty, and plus I needed to remove all the dead leaves off this plant. I'm using Method's anti-bac cleaner in the bamboo scent. This is one of my favorite cleaning products and I've repurchased it so many times. I have no idea what this metal bar is for. It was just left there when we moved in. Maybe it goes to the back of the fridge or something, I'm not sure. I just ended up throwing it up on top of the cabinet. Out of sight, out of mind, I guess. Moving into the living room, I always wipe down the screen gently because I'm paranoid that the TV will fall off the wall mount. I'm just using another Method cleaner. It's the glass and surface spray and I love the mint scent and it's ammonia free, so I always use it for my car's glass. I'm cleaning this fan that's right above the living room. Even though I'm technically on the second floor and I would probably survive a fall, I always feel uneasy when looking down. I'm okay with being high up as long as I don't look down. That is when the fear kicks in. I was actually surprised that the fans weren't as dusty as I thought. We do use them regularly and year-round, so I think that helps circulate the dust that lands on it. And yes, I'm standing on a bar stool. Your girl is short and the bed frame is also low, so I wouldn't have been able to reach the fan if I were to stand on it. Back in the living room, I'm going to be wiping down every single slat on the blinds. This was the most tedious task ever. I'm glad I have the thicker wood slats instead of those flimsy plastic or metal ones. If I had those kinds, I think I would have just used a vacuum and called it good. After I clean the blinds, I'm going to wipe down the windows and the frames. After I clean the windows, the house smelled like wet dog. It must be from the mildew or moisture, whatever the clean window smell smells like. I think it's disgusting. Let me know if you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm in the master bedroom and I'm just showing you that there's the same type of door and 2 windows as you saw in the living room. So same thing, I'll be cleaning the blinds and the windows here as well. I wanted to take down the curtains to wash them, but I believe that they were hand wash only, which I was like, yeah, freaking right. Ain't nobody got time for that. So I just left them. These mirrors above the bed were so dusty, I probably cleaned them like one other time in the 1 year that I had them. They were kind of a pain to clean because of all the grooves. I got them from Old Time Pottery, which is exactly like the store at home. I'm using the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop and I love it. Instead of buying those scented discs that you put in the mop head, I like to add essential oil to the water reservoir. I use a new mop head for every room. I also have the O-Cedar Spin Mop, which I love too, and will switch them out depending on my mood. If I'm lazy, I use the Steam Mop, and when I feel like a workout, I use the Spin Mop because it requires more elbow grease and cleanup. This is probably the most graphic part of my spring cleaning. Let me know what you guys think these stains on the walls are from. It took 2 whole magic erasers to clean up all these walls in the bedroom and front door area. It was so satisfying to watch all these stains disappear. I do this once every couple of months. I think the walls are just bare drywall because they're kind of like a chalky finish. So I think that's why I can clean these stains over and over each time without any paint coming off. I've only had this front door rug for only a few months and going to shampoo it for the first time. Also, you'll see me do a smaller rug, which is for the door that leads outside to the balcony. I was in for a total shocker on how dirty the cleaning solution was afterward. This makes me want to start shampooing these rugs at least once a month or so. Ugh, that is so nasty. Moving back into the kitchen, I'm going to clean out the fridge. I do this about once a month and usually when I need to go grocery shopping, so it's more empty and less stuff to take out and put back in. This is also a time when I throw out things that have gone bad and take note of what we're almost out of for the next grocery run. To clean the fridge, I'm using a wet cloth and a Lysol antibacterial spray in the lemon scent. I'm going to clean the freezer side too, but won't film it just because it's so narrow. I always have a hard time cleaning and filming due to this fact, so I'll just show you what the inside looks like. It's not bad at all, and it didn't have any spills or stains like a fridge did. Lastly, I'm going to clean the oven, but going to clean the racks first as I let the cleaner sit in the oven. I used baking soda and water to make a paste, then sprayed it with some vinegar right before wiping it down. I've read that it actually works better if you don't spray the vinegar and just only use the baking soda and water paste. I'll give it a try next time and let you guys know the difference. And that wraps it up for the spring clean with me. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.